Hey guys, thanks for stopping by this video. Today I want to show you some soft foam women's shoes by Puma. This is how the box comes. Let me just show you here on the side. It says here, ladies, Prowl knit shoes. That's what it says here. And these are black. So let's take a look at these together. I just want to show you what they look like, give you an idea of the quality. Let me just take them out of the box. Let me show you what they look like. Just like you see here. I want you to get a little close up. I want you to see. They're really made quite nicely. The laces are gold. You can see how they're gold. And the black, this is a really nice accent. They are true to size. So when you're buying shoes, these are true to size, just so you know. It's got a nice white trim all around the sides. The bottom of it's got a nice smooth heel. Good flexibility in these shoes. Super comfortable, soft insole. And what I like about these a lot, it's got the little Puma on the side. I love that as well. And also always on the outside of the shoe. So that's where the Puma is, on the outside, as you can see. You can see here. Again, it's got the black, soft. These are breathable. So when you wear these, you get some airflow going through, which is really nice. That's super important as well. I love these foam as OFT foam. That's what they're calling them, for comfort foam. It's got a nice arch, a lot of support. Feels really, really good and soft. And my wife loves Puma. Loves. So I always like to talk about the Puma sneakers when I get them. The nice quality. Here's the front of the toes. You can see it's got the toe guard in front. You can see all around. It's got the black accents all around with the white. And absolutely here at the bottom, you can see what they look like. Absolutely love these. She said she absolutely loves them. She walks all the time. She's a big walker. And she said these are super comfortable for walking. So if you're a big walker and you're looking for a nice vented shoe, especially in warm climates, definitely the way to go. I love this one. Great quality, great design, and love the little Puma on the side. Hope you enjoyed this review. Hope it was helpful. I hope I answered some questions for you, because a lot of times you look online, you don't really know what they look like, get an idea. And I think you're going to be pretty happy with these. The quality is excellent. And I think you can't go wrong. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Don't forget to follow for more. Follow the channel. Subscribe, like, share, whatever you want to do. Just do it. And you'll see more great videos like this. Appreciate your time. And I'll see you at the next review.